Uncle Chris smells so good. Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Do you have one of these and then you go out and you buy the wrong scented thing and it won't fit? And you're like, oh no. Well, you know what? Don't throw the old one away. If it's empty, you can pry the top off. Now, I've already pried this one off. Okay? Take the top off the old one. Get you a flat screwdriver. Pry the top off the new one. Of course, I'm going to have to take my time and do this. Now, I should be using a funnel. I'm trying to do this and look through the camera lens at the same time. Pour it in the new one without making too much of a mess. But use a funnel. That'll be better, okay? Put the old top back on. And you know what? Put it back in your plug-in. And you're good to go. How about that? Save yourself some money, some frustration, and some time. You can also refill them with your own homemade oil. I'll show you that in the next video. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.